It's not exactly a secret that Washington wins the trophy for growing the best fruit. And look no further than Smallwoods in Peshastin to prove that claim. With fresh, scrumptious fruit and some fun side activities to let your inner kid have a day too, this place is an actual playground for all. Mike Smallwood gave me a bit of a tour and shared some of his Washington-grown fruit.
Well, the first thing that comes on that people really gravitate to, of course, is cherry. Those are sweethearts. They're a late season cherry. We're finishing up on cherries now. So everything has a season. It's fast, quick, and you blink an eye, you miss it.
Right. These are delicious, by the way.
Yeah.
Where does a lot of this produce come from? How does it get to this spot right here at Smallwood?
Well, I grow some,
Okay.
but only 20%.
Mike's main crop, delicious pears.
These probably aren't ripe. You know, pears always take a little bit of time to ripen. This here is Angel, and
They're my favorite, actually. I love these. I eat them all the time.
yeah.
I like them a little firm, though. I don't like
I
it when
do.
they get too mushy.
Everybody wants a hard, crunchy apple, but they want a soft, mushy pear. Why?
You know what I mean?
I can't figure it out.
Tell me about the relationship that you have with a lot of these farmers and places like that.
Close personal friends. We got to dinner. I know the names of their dog.
Time for some juicy peaches.
This is called a rich lady. Comes off the pit well. It's a freestone.
Mike, that's nice.
Got great flavor.
Very sweet. And it's not mushy.
No, it's firm.
Right.
And nectarines here.
When somebody asks you, hey, Mike, what's the difference between a nectarine and a peach? What's the easiest answer?
Nectarine's a nectarine and peach is a peach.
There you go. See, it's that simple.
Yeah. Here we have one of the first apples that come on, and it's a ginger gold. And it's a tart apple too. It seems like all the early apples are a little bit tart. And it's hard as a rock.
Yeah, you're putting some effort in it. You're straining it to get that piece up.
I mean, and it's also a good baking apple.
But it's firm.
If you want to sit down in the evening, have some cheese, glass of wine.
Yeah, you're right. This would go well with some cheeses because the cheese is where all that punch is going to come from, not here.
Well, no matter what kind of fruit you decide to try, it turns out you just can't go wrong. So the next time you're in Leavenworth, swing on into Smallwoods and tell them Tomás from Wa Grown sent you.